Hi everyone, my name is Arushi Chog, and today I'm going to talk about how to handle tough situations in life. As human beings, all of us go through very tough situations, challenging situations, conflicting situations. And you must have observed, being in that ocean of, stress and anxiety and depression when a human being goes through hard times or very challenging situations. And the question is how to go beyond this. The question is when we go through such tough times, what can be done to immediately come out of this pit, and more importantly, how to be better prepared so that next time when this kind of a challenge comes in front of us, how to go through this, without being affected much, and how to go through this in a very smooth way. So, friends, I being in one such situation, I remember calling up my friend, and she said, Arushi, you have to realize the power and potential of hardcore physical workout session. So before this, I'd heard, I know exercising is good, and one must exercise on a daily basis, etc. But then when I started applying that on a regular basis, when I started working out very intensely, I actually realized the kind of impact it has on my own mental and emotional well-being. So, an intense workout session, first thing in the morning, the minute we wake up, before we start the day, before we answer that call, before we attend that meeting, before we have to give that presentation, before we prepare for the interview, the first thing is to energize this mind. The first thing is to prepare these faculties that we have, right? Body and our mind. So I always start, this is how I'm advised to, start my day. An intense workout session. It can be 10 minutes, it can be 20 minutes, it can be 30 minutes, depending on, one's stamina. But the impact it has on creating a very strong personality, the impact it has, on being mentally tough is just, beyond words. Absolutely. And more research has also suggested that um, an intense workout session has a direct impact on one's brain health, right? It can create a very strong personality. The way you sit, the way you talk, the way you walk, everything about you changes because what happens is what really happens is you are programming your mind and your body, right? Maybe while you're working out, maybe you play a spiritual chant or maybe a motivational music, and maybe that's on loop for you. So what happens is that you're reprogramming your mind. You're reaffirming again and again. You're instructing your mind and your body together. So they start acting as one force. And when you keep doing this every day, because I've been doing this for the past 1 year and more, and I know that I'm able to conquer my mind and my body to a great extent, to a great extent. So, friends, research has also suggested, that an intense workout session has a direct impact on, one's brain health. An intense workout session can create new brain cells because it ensures that there's a blood supply to the brain and more sugar goes to the brain, right? So it is a great way to, nourish this brain, to take care of this mind, and has a great impact on one's overall well-being as well, right? So now I would like to talk about flow state. I was reading this article the other day and I thought of sharing this with you. So what happens is when we're able to unlock that flow state. Now what is flow state? So mind, this human mind can be in five different states, right? The first state is the rudimentary. Rudimentary state is a state where it's very inert, it's not activated at all. When you energize your mind to some extent, what happens is now it becomes very scattered. When you energize your mind even further, now it is not that scattered, but it starts oscillating a bit. When you energize your mind even further, now gradually it reaches a stage where it becomes one pointed, absolutely one pointed, right? And when you energize it further, when you're able to take it when you're able to transcend certain limitations, and when you take it even further, now this mind is acts works like a miracle for you, right? So friends, I mean, we go through tough situations, we go through conflicting situations at work, sometimes in family, sometimes professional life, sometimes, every time life throws all kinds of challenges and situations at us. So the problem is, so let's say, it's 5 o'clock in the evening, and you observe yourself. You're able to sense that you are neck deep in a problem, and your mind is playing games. Or what will happen? There is no solution. What will happen? This is not, etc., etc., etc. When all this is happening, what you do is just pause. Maybe take your headphones on, and whatever song you like, maybe a motivational speech, or maybe a motivational song. And if you are spiritual, maybe a spiritual chant, anything that you're able to connect with very deeply. Just go for that 20-minute run, right? Just go for that 20-minute jog or dance or whatever you like, where you're instructing your body and mind together, right? You will experience just within 20 minutes that the problem does not have any grip over you. That's very empowering. It looks very simple, but just within 20 minutes, you are above the problem. Now you can just, in a very calm way, you can just see what to do about the problem. Now the problem is not consuming you. Are you understanding? Now the problem does not have any grip over you. Now you are above the problem. The problem is still there. The problem is still there. Maybe we don't have a solution in a very calm way. Maybe we will reach out to our mentors. Maybe we will reach out to our support system to guide us better. But mentally, I'm in a place where I'm untouched by the problem. Now, when that happens, you're above the problem. This is the way to ride the life, right? I'm not saying we are experts. We need support. We need support from people who know better and who can guide us through our problems better. But to take charge of this mental and emotional well-being is very, very important. The reason why I'm suggesting this is because it's absolutely heartbreaking. It's heartbreaking to see the number of suicides happening on a daily basis. It's very painful. It is our responsibility. My own mental well-being, our mental and emotional well-being is completely our responsibility, and we must take charge. No matter what happens. Let's say we are going through a challenging situation. Let's say we are going through a situation where we are facing failures back to back, or maybe rejections back to back. No matter what the problem, I am in a place within myself where I'm detached, absolutely untouched, and absolutely confident and on fire. Now, this one thing we cannot allow anybody on the planet to take away from us, no matter what happens in our life. When this kind of an empowerment happens within us, now we can ride the wave of life. And a person like this need not worry. Because even, there's a saying, do not go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. Thank you guys. I'll see you soon.